Rivals will offer fresher models for the next year, but they will lag behind again. So you probably wonder what will really make the 2026 Jeep Wrangler so special that the competition won't be able to match it. Besides unparalleled off-road expertise and iconic design, there's also the matter of constant improvement. The next year's model continues in that way with subtle but important tweaks. Let's check them out. Much-needed upgrades for the hybrid. The 2026 Wrangler 4xe receives a powertrain enhancement that might seem subtle at first look, but it's crucial for the future dominance in the segment. We are talking about the all-new ZF8 HP80PH transmission, replacing the current 8 HP 75PH unit. This isn't a minor tweak, it's a complete transformation. The new transmission integrates a 215 horsepower electric motor delivering 332 pound-feet of torque, compared to the outgoing model's 134 horsepower and 181 pound-feet. That's a massive 81 horsepower increase and 151 pound-feet more torque from the electric motor alone. The transmission upgrade brings revolutionary improvements in power delivery and refinement. Electronic control systems are now incorporated directly into the transmission housing, creating increased power density and an upgraded hydraulic control system. This means smoother transitions between electric and gas power, eliminating the jerky handoffs that occasionally plagued earlier models. What's also impressive is that the electric-only range extends dramatically to 31 miles, up from the current 21 miles. The 2026 Wrangler 4xe can reach speeds up to 74 miles per hour purely on electric power without ever firing up the gasoline engine. This extended range transforms the hybrid from a short commute solution into a genuinely practical daily driver that can handle most suburban errands in complete silence. Advanced thermal management controls for the hybrid battery ensure consistent performance even during extreme off-road adventures. Whether you're rock crawling in Arizona summer heat or snow wheeling in Colorado winter, the battery system maintains optimal operating temperature for maximum efficiency and longevity. Glowing up that iconic look. The Wrangler features one of the most recognizable exterior designs in automotive history, and the 2026 model respects that heritage while adding fresh appeal. New color options headline the visual updates, with exciting additions that make personalization more appealing than ever. Gobi and Tuscadero return to the palette alongside several other unique shades. These aren't your typical boring automotive colors. They're bold statements that reflect the adventurous spirit of Wrangler owners. High-velocity yellow and Sarge green, currently exclusive to the Gladiator lineup, are expected to make their way to the Wrangler roster. This expansion gives buyers access to previously unavailable hues that have proven popular on the pickup truck. Limited edition color packages create even more exclusivity. Certain combinations will only be available on specific trim levels, making your Wrangler truly one of a kind. The color selection process becomes part of the adventure, allowing owners to express their personality before they even hit the trail. Updated LED lighting signatures enhance both function and form. New headlight designs maintain the classic round shape while incorporating modern lighting technology. The 7-slot grille receives subtle refinements that improve aerodynamics without compromising the unmistakable Jeep face that's been turning heads for generations. Altogether, we are getting probably the most refined version of the iconic Wrangler look yet. Refined steering system. One persistent criticism of the Wrangler has been its vague steering feel, particularly at highway speeds. The 2026 model addresses this longtime weakness with comprehensive steering system improvements. Insider information confirms that Jeep engineers have completely recalibrated the steering rack to provide a more precise on-center feel. Mechanical and electronic enhancements work together to create tighter tolerances and more direct feedback. The steering system receives upgraded components that reduce play and improve response. Electronic power steering programming has been refined to provide variable assist that adapts to driving conditions, lighter effort for parking maneuvers, and firmer feel at highway speeds. The improvements extend beyond just feel to actual safety benefits. More precise steering means better control during emergency maneuvers and reduced driver fatigue on long highway stretches. Off-road performance benefits as well, with improved feedback helping drivers navigate technical terrain with greater confidence. These steering enhancements represent subtle but important improvements that address real-world driving scenarios. While maintaining the Wrangler's authentic character, the refined steering makes daily driving more pleasant without compromising the rugged capability that defines this vehicle. For the first time, you won't be tired after every highway ride with your favorite off-roader. This is a massive leap in versatility. Unbeatable off the road. The Wrangler maintains its position as the world's most capable production off-road vehicle, and the 2026 model extends that leadership even further. Core features like the Command Track four-wheel drive system, two-speed transfer case, and locking differentials continue unchanged because they're already perfect for the job. The Hybrid 4xe system actually enhances off-road capability rather than compromising it. Electric motors provide instant torque delivery that's ideal for rock crawling and technical terrain. The silent electric operation allows you to experience nature without disturbing wildlife or other outdoor enthusiasts. Electronic disconnecting sway bars come standard on Rubicon models, allowing maximum wheel articulation for conquering obstacles that stop other vehicles. The system can be activated at the push of a button, transforming the suspension setup for serious off-road work. Heavy-duty differential covers protect vital components during extreme use. Advanced traction management systems work seamlessly with the hybrid powertrain. Rock mode, sand mode, and mud mode optimize power delivery for specific terrain types. The electric motors can provide precise wheel speed control that mechanical systems simply cannot match. Ground clearance remains class-leading, ensuring the Wrangler can tackle obstacles that ground other SUVs. Approach and departure angles are optimized for maximum capability, while skid plates protect crucial components from impact damage. Water fording capability remains unmatched in the segment, allowing you to cross streams and navigate flood conditions that would strand competitors. Impressive powertrain lineup. Beyond the enhanced hybrid system, the 2026 Wrangler offers an impressive range of powertrains to suit every driving style and budget. The 2-liter turbocharged four-cylinder delivers 270 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, providing excellent fuel economy without sacrificing performance. This engine excels in daily driving while still offering enough capability for weekend adventures. The legendary 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 remains available with 285 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. This naturally aspirated engine delivers smooth, linear power delivery that many drivers prefer over turbocharged alternatives. Reliability has been proven over millions of miles, making it the choice for buyers who prioritize longevity over peak efficiency. The crown jewel remains the 6.4-liter V8 found in the 392 models, producing 470 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. This monster engine transforms the Wrangler into a genuine muscle car that happens to be capable of conquering any terrain. 0 to 60 acceleration drops to just 4.5 seconds, making it one of the quickest SUVs available at any price. Here's the exciting news that changes everything. With Ram bringing back the Hemi engine family, the V8's future in the Wrangler looks secure. Previously, industry speculation suggested 2026 might be the final year for the 392, but Ram's commitment to the Hemi power plant signals that Stellantis recognizes customer demand for traditional V8 power. Why would Jeep discontinue such an iconic powertrain when it perfectly embodies the Wrangler's no-compromise philosophy? The V8 represents everything the Wrangler stands for: raw power, authentic character, and uncompromising capability. Its continuation ensures that enthusiasts can still experience the visceral thrill of naturally aspirated V8 power in an off-road package that no competitor can match. Release date and price. The 2026 Jeep Wrangler arrives in dealerships later this year, continuing Jeep's tradition of early model year launches. Production begins in the third quarter, with initial deliveries expected by late fall. This timeline allows Jeep to incorporate all the planned improvements while maintaining quality standards. Pricing will see modest increases compared to current models, reflecting the substantial upgrades throughout the lineup. Base sport models will start around $35,000, while loaded Rubicon 392 versions will exceed $70,000 when fully equipped. The enhanced 4xe hybrid commands a premium over standard models, but federal tax credits help offset the additional cost for qualified buyers. Despite price increases, the Wrangler remains competitively positioned against rivals like the Ford Bronco and Toyota 4Runner. More importantly, no competitor offers the combination of authentic off-road capability, open-air freedom, and hybrid efficiency that defines the 2026 Wrangler. For buyers seeking the ultimate expression of adventure capability, the price premium represents excellent value for unmatched capability. The 2026 Jeep Wrangler takes everything that made this icon legendary and elevates it for the modern era. Enhanced hybrid performance, refined on-road manners, and continued V8 availability create a perfect balance between progress and tradition. While competitors continue chasing the Wrangler's formula, Jeep keeps pushing forward with innovations that maintain its position as the undisputed king of off-road capability. But if models like Wrangler are simply too rugged for your preferences, the good thing about today's market is that it offers numerous more refined SUV options that are primarily designed for the road but have decent off-road abilities as well. Check out this video about the 2026 Honda Passport turning haters into believers, which you can now see on the screen. Honda's midsize SUV comes not only with a fresh new look, but with important off-road improvements as well.